Da ka jing temu ban ai jing hikai che ki pajba. Bakim day ban penyap pathar ya baro ki kan jamrat. Ki badan napo ka Nong Khalem Wildlife Sanctuary. Katanat Forest jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya. Kabahap Haribhoi Subdivision nongpo. Hakas nginang kong kila pli pajba ya ki jing dro hakan ro. Kabadan hajan ka office Katanat Forest. Bat kumjuru ya ka patrolling kam. Kabadan Nong Khalem Wildlife Sanctuary. Nakliang Katanat Forest. Kalala aru ban pli pajba ya ketika jing dro hakikan ro. Bat kumjuru ya ketika patrolling kam. Kadega jing arab ka sarkar kami lengba kisong pisa. Kabaderu shibanta kathong bandangla ban panek pensa ya kimrat ki badang don hapo ki klau giptap ha Meghalaya. Ha kanega jing pli kini jing dro baladro syapang kimrat ki badan ha Wildlife Sanctuary baru ketika patrolling kam lasaki daga jing don lang uba biki lengwa Principal Chief Conservator URS Gill Principal Chief Conservator Katanat Forest Territorial UHC Chaudhary Chief Wildlife Warden kisamla pule ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School nongpo bat kentup ki weki officer bat kinong tray ng Katanat Forest.
My name is Chandan Singh, and I'm here to give a very short speech on this beautiful painting done here. This is something very new done in our Ribhoi district in Nampo. This is a very unique thing done. It involves the beautiful paintings of the animals found in the wildlife sanctuary of Nong Khalem, and this is a thing which was never done in Nampo as I've seen, and this is very attractive, especially to our students, the nearby students, the people of Nampo area. Whenever they see, they used to feel a very refreshment time, and I've seen many people while crossing here, they used to take videos of all this. So this painting is just not unique, it's not just beautiful, but it also makes us aware of what are the animals we have in our district. So it is a very great initiative done by the Nong Khalem Wildlife Sanctuary. It is really appreciated. So on this day, I would request every people of Nampo and all the students and even some organization not to write not to spoil this beauty. And those beauty are mainly spoiled by writing something. Most of the times spitting guai and all. So I would just request every people passing across this road, seeing this painting, not to spoil it, just to see it, be aware, and do their prime duty to conserve our wildlife.
See, the message of the wildlife wing of the forest department is that there is a lot of our state is very rich in terms of forest flora and fauna. Now, however, much is not known to our local population because most of our people are city-centric. Most of the population resides in the urban areas. This is a way of creating awareness. We are here utilizing the talents of these artists, channelizing their talents into something which is very productive, which is helping the state government, the forest department, in spreading awareness for wildlife conservation. And one is that. Another thing is also that this is it showcases the what should I say, good use of spaces rather than having graffiti and untidy pasting of posters and all that. Here we have something being done constructively to educate the people on matters relating to conservation.